down. Then with the leg, right one, left one, and here, tap, tap, up, tap, tap, drag, tap, tap, tap. Then jump, here, boom, 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 down, up, down, up, down, up, down. Here, twist, come back, tap, 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 tap. Okay?
If you're serious about becoming a stronger and more confident dancer, I've created training programs just for you. Whether you're just starting out or looking to push your skills further, my courses are designed to help you grow, stay consistent, and actually see progress. I help people become incredible dancers, and if you're watching this, that probably means you're next. You can check out all my programs via the link on screen. You can see it right here, and you can get started today. See you in class.